Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim, back at our favorite spot, Diner on 55th. Now, we've been talking about the past over 3 decades, 32 years of your incredible success with birth injury, medical malpractice, catastrophic injury cases. In terms of legal terms, one of the terms that I've heard of is burden of proof. First of all, what is that?
Simply stated, Jason, a burden of proof is that we have an obligation to prove the case. The people who bring a claim, they're called a plaintiff. And the plaintiff has a burden to prove certain elements of the case. The first thing you have to prove is that there is negligence, that somebody breached a duty of care owed. You got to prove
Okay, wait, so hold on. So, burden of proof, I come to you.
Right.
Some tragedy happened.
Right.
We have to prove that, I guess, what are we proving here?
We are proving two things. We are proving liability, that somebody did something wrong.
Okay.
That somebody's negligent, that someone breached a duty of care owed. We're proving that. Then the second thing of equal import, we have to prove damages. Okay? We have to prove how badly someone is hurt. Oftentimes I bring in a PhD economist, I bring in a life care planner to show just how expensive it is going to be to maintain this person for the rest of their life.
Okay, that was going to be my other question, that when I come to you and I'm looking to prove that burden of proof, how do you do that?
Well, I am networked with nationally recognized experts, and you've heard the term battle of the experts. Our experts look at the case and give an honest, fair evaluation. And oftentimes these experts are at the cutting edge of a particular field, whether it's radiology, emergency room medicine, etc. They're at the cutting edge, and they will show clearly why medical malpractice occurred, what the elements are. And oftentimes I'm able to prove those elements and the case settles.
All right, how can people get a hold of you?
Real simple. 1-800-55-MISNY. Visit my website, misnylaw.com.
All right, thanks so much,
Jason,
Tim.
thank you.